people who can stand, who know their worth, their value, and their purpose, to receive the wind of the Spirit, to stand and be open to the Lord as He breathes on us. And as we receive that, we receive the power of God to be used for Him and His kingdom.
You're saved, you're being saved, and you will be saved. I'm saved. I ask Christ in my heart. I'm working out my salvation with fear and trembling, and I will be saved. See, that working out our salvation, it doesn't mean you're working it out like you're earning it. It means I choose to be in relationship with God, even when it's not easy.
The solid rock I stand. I'm standing on Christ. On Christ the solid rock I stand. I'm standing on Christ. On Christ the solid rock I stand. I'm standing on Christ. On Christ the solid rock I stand.
So when we're walking in the Spirit, functioning in the gifts of the Spirit, moving in alignment with the kingdom of God, this is fruit that will last. So keep pursuing life in the Spirit.
God spoke to Moses in a burning bush, but today the fire of God is in us. And that's my heart for you guys. It wouldn't be your parents' faith, it would be your faith. I want to see you guys do this stuff and truly be a revival generation.